Nathan Sterkenburg lives and works in Medicine Hat in northern Alberta. He's married and has 3 kids and runs a small kitchen and woodworking business with 1 full-time and 1 part-time employee. Although Nathan spends more time building kitchens and built-ins, he always enjoys making spec or commissioned pieces of furniture. Most of the parts that make up this chair were hand-turned on a lathe, then joined. The back was assembled like bricks and shaped with power carving equipment. This was a quick project Sterkenburg built for himself as an escape from the perfectionism of his trade. He'd been getting tired of the need for everything to be perfect, and this build helped vent that frustration. Made of pine, the table is unfinished. Sterkenburg left all the checks and knots visible. Here are a few other pieces of furniture Nathan has built over the years. Most of the work Nathan does is kitchens. With this kitchen renovation, the old kitchen wasn't in bad shape, just very dated. Sterkenburg reused a lot of the existing cabinets and refinished the old doors. All that was needed were a few more cabinets and doors, some white oak floating shelves, and the vent hood. Here's a selection of kitchens and built-ins Nathan has built over the years. Strictly for function, Nathan's workshop is in an 1,800 square foot industrial unit. When building kitchens and other built-in units, he needs lots of space to be able to complete these large projects. I'm sure from time to time it seems small if he has a large kitchen on the go, but like any workshop, good organization goes a long way to maintaining a productive and safe workspace. When Nathan isn't in his shop, he's likely spending time with his 3 kids.